are coming at you live with some DIY fun time. So, 'tis the season for DIY projects. I don't know if you have friends, but I don't. Oh wait, yes, we have friends. I'm joking. At any rate, if you want to make a bunch of gifts to your friends, doing a DIY is a great way to do it. So we happen to be making some bath salts today. I got the recipe from our Young Living blog. We are using 1 cup of sea salt. We've got 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons baking soda, and then 25 drops of essential oils of your choice. I kind of altered the recipe a little bit. I wanted to throw some color in there, so I substituted 1 cup of the sea salt for the pink Himalayan salt, and that adds a little bit of color. We're also adding some herbs. We've got some thyme and some lavender, just to kind of make it pretty.
Grown in my garden.
That's right, homegrown herbs here. So
pretty
I
pinkish.
We've got a bunch of these that we're making, so I multiplied the recipe by 6. This makes 2 cups. We needed 12, so I mixed it all up in a bowl. I stirred it around with, like one of these spoons, which worked really well for the salt if you don't just want to stick your hands in there. And then I'm transferring it into a smaller bowl. I'm measuring out 2 cups at a time, and then I'm just going to add the oil. We're using juniper this time.
Ooh, I love juniper.
And the recipe calls for 25 drops, but I like master numbers, so I use 22.
Okay, so we've got some with juniper, and some with valor, and some with stress away, and some with peace and calming. Sounds good. And then maybe we're going to do some with aroma ease and maybe lavender. But yes, this is awesome. Thanks for making presents for my friends.
Oh, well.
And of course, one is for you.
Woo-woo, I can't complain. I mean, really, this is an awesome job.
Well,
Somebody's gotta do it.
You're so good at it. Thank you.
So I went ahead, I added the 22 drops, and now I'm just mixing them up with my hands. I'm going to put some thyme in with the juniper because juniper is kind of earthy and herbaceous smelling, and so thyme seems like the perfect fit. So I just put a little in my palms, and then I rub it around. There we go.
Okay, well thanks, Meredith.
Good. All right, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.